Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I can't be serious. Take it like that. So today, as you can tell from the title, I think this is a long overdue video that I should have done initially, but yeah, so we're gonna do a little bit of introduction today while doing my makeup and my hair. I'm gonna try and do like a soft glam makeup. We're still trying to improve our makeup skills, so why not? So I want to end it off with like a red lip, answering some questions, about myself. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, we're going in with a primer. This is the Power Grip Primer. Just want to get the base first before we start talking. It's not terrible. Oh, this is my first decent install. That's a plus. I like it. I like how it's coming out already. So we're going with the foundation, the Maybelline Fit in the shade Coconut. Yeah. So you have to get backup light because we can't trust the sun. We can't trust her. So first question on the list is, what is your name? You don't know my name? How don't you know my name? Anyways, my name is Abasi-ofon. Ayo. Abasi-ofon. Ayo. I'm from Akwa State, Nigeria. Not Cross River, not Calabar. Akwa State. Get it? How old are you? I am 22. I want to say 23. Till 23 next year, but anyways, I'm 22 currently. At the time of this video, I'm 22. Because I don't know I'm gonna edit this and post it. I'm maybe 23 right then. But yeah, I'm 22. What's your favorite thing about where you live? That's well. The favorite thing is that I'm living with my friend, my very good friend, my girl Naomi. Okay, Barbara, Big Bab. So, interests and hobbies. What are your hobbies? Yeah, hobbies. I have to think. I know it's weird, but I have to think. Before that, we're gonna go in with our concealer, which is same Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in the shade Hazelnut. Yeah, Hazelnut. But before then, no, we're not going with concealer. We're going with blush. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get used to using blush a lot because I see what it be doing. When I use it, like it does really give. So like, I think we should be using blush. So apparently it's a lip gloss that we did the blush. So we're just gonna put it here and here. Right, just 2 dots. Nothing crazy because it can be really pigmented. Just like, I don't know where these accents be coming from, but like, y'all have to be with me, okay? Just be with your girl. Yeah, what are my hobbies? I like creating content, obviously. I love to sing. I love to dance. Scrolling on my phone. Yeah, and I like to sleep. Oh, I can sleep for 24 hours if you let me. Like, am I bad at multitasking? What is this? Like, hello? Nope, we need more blush. So what's one thing people would be surprised to know about you? Well, I don't know if it's surprising to y'all on the internet space. It might be surprising, but as people that see me outside, so I talk. One thing that's surprising, I talk a lot. But I'm a shy girl. Cute, shy girl. I'm trying not to be scared of using a lot of blush. Because honestly, maybe before the first one I put would have been okay. Like, I don't want to go crazy. But today, we're gonna try new things. Like we said, we're gonna go crazy. Okay, not really. What's your favorite thing to do in your free time? Sleep. Like I said, I can sleep for a whole 24 hours if you just let me. I sleep for hours, man, and that's one thing I'm trying to change though. But besides sleeping, I just scrolling on my phone, right? Trying to look for like inspo for content, basically for the content creators, because people be doing things like outfits be eaten. Like, are you serious? Outfits be eaten, and I'm like, bro, I want to get there. Like, honestly, that money they limit me. Honestly, I want to believe that. Next question: do you have any pets? Unfortunately, now I don't. But I did back in Nigeria. I had a dog. Well, it was everybody's dog. Our dog. Yes. His name was Boyka. His full name was Roman Blade Boyka. Yeah, he had 2 names. He was a German Rottweiler mix. He's 4 years old, 5 years old. I think 5. I think he was something very stubborn, obviously. Very, very stubborn. What's your favorite way to relax after a long day? Sleep. True, it's that question. Sleepy. Why did you start your YouTube channel? Well, this one is a little bit like personal because I'm like a very secluded, reserved person, and I've been that for a long time. And I was like, you know what? I can't keep on being that girl. I need to step out. There's so many things I want to do in life, and if I'm too secluded or too reserved or too shy, I'm gonna get to do it. Starting in YouTube was like a way of me pushing myself out of my comfort zone. Like basically, stop being shy. That makes sense. And like doing long form, you need to like talk, most of the time. Not like most of the time, but like it probably need to like talk a lot and do stuff. Right? So yeah, just wanna get out my comfort zone and do what I ought to do. Try and put myself out there more and eventually get used to it. Ooh, jump scare. What's your favorite movie or TV show? Well, honestly, I don't really watch movies like that. I barely do that. I've watched a lot, obviously, but it's not something like I was like, enthusiastic about. Like, oh my god, what's the next one? Like back then, it was like The Flash or Black Lightning. I've never watched Game of Thrones. Not even a single episode. I know. Don't kill me, but yeah. The one movie I really enjoyed though, basically because it was a fashion, this thing was Cruella. I don't know, I'm not really a movie person. I mean, you could recommend movies for me to watch. I think we're almost done. I'm getting tired already. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of this, like the blush, right, on my hands, then just dab it in. You get the point, right? Okay, now that eats. That really eats. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Oh my god, I love this question. Do I? I think it would be the UK or Paris. Yeah, for UK, I just love the accent. Right, I just love the accent. And Paris because it's one of the fashion countries, basically. I feel like Paris just comes with its own level of bouginess when it comes to the fit that I usually see. I don't feel you can dress anyhow in Paris. Like, I just want to be in a place where like you first step up your fashion game, because you look around, you like say, hey, your mate is not here. You step up by force. I guess it depends on the part you're living in, but still, hopefully, obviously, if I want to live down, live in this kind of areas, duh. But yeah. Next question. What's your all-time favorite food? I don't know. For the longest, I've always been saying fried rice and chicken. So I guess that's my all-time. Because in all the essays I don't write for primary school. Let's describe yourself. My this is this my favorite color. This my favorite food is always fried rice. Hey, is it? Sorry, it was jollof rice. It was always jollof rice. I think it switched later on to fried rice, because I mean, these were like the staples. Fried rice, jollof rice. Anytime I choose which one I want to use. Crazy. We're just gonna go into like set a whole face with the powder. So if I go with the lip, I'm just gonna use my mascara. It says the Covergirl Lash Plumping Mascara. Right. I like a dewy makeup, so we'll go with the e.l.f. first of all. It though. What do you guys think? Just answering another question. Oh my god, we are not doing this well. We're not fast paced. Do you have a favorite book or author? I don't know. Oh yeah, the Bible, the author, the Holy Spirit. Per, because like what else? Per. Case closed. Full stop. What's your dream job? That's an interesting one. My dream job, I would say, would be a fashion stylist / a graphics designer. Not a slash and a graphics designer. A freelancer or like for a company. Or both. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to. Fashion content creation. Being a stylist, have my own fashion line. Being a graphics designer and a content creator. Yeah. I guess that's my dream job. Those are my dream jobs. Which is what we're pursuing already. Okay, I'm a content creator already. I'm studying graphics design in school, college, if you know. And yeah, I'm styling in my content creation. Hopefully I get better at it. So we're kind of pursuing the vision, don't you think? Yeah. So I don't basically have a dream job per se. Yeah, next question. If I apply my lip gloss. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? Superpower. I want to say fly. The first thing I mind was to fly. But like, I basically teleport or read minds. And telekinesis. Yeah, because I can be lazy sometimes. And then whatever I want to do, I just do it in my mind, right? I think we're kind of done with the makeup, don't you guys think? The lips is eating. So saying. What I can't wait for is the hair though. If you've come this far, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Alright, please, I beg of you. Thank you very much. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tag, do whatever you want to do. First of all, like, rate my makeup, rate it in the comments over 10. Please be nice. Okay, I'm still a beginner, but yeah, rate it. Rate it, don't you? Honestly, you guys are in for a ride, because you're gonna see some things, man. It shocks me too. Are you an introvert, extrovert? Well, on the surface level, hey. On a surface level, I'm an introvert. We nailed it. We nailed the look. Like, we obviously did nail the look. It's giving bad and bougie. Bad and bougie. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the finished look, finished product. Okay.